friends at Pro Solution sent me this Zanaquick nail renewal drops. Basically, this is so that you can fight nail fungus. Nail fungus is a very, very pesky thing to fight, and the problem is that it's embarrassing to have it. So you want to take the nice precautions of using this product, right, as well as keeping the feet dry, right, so that you can fight and win this battle. Now, oof, smells really good. This is a blend of all the different chemicals and natural essential oils that are used to fight nail fungus. This can be used to fight any other nail fungus. If you have jock itch, if you have like athlete foot, you can put this on the surface and it'll kill it, because it has all these ingredients as well as underclinic acid, which is really the unsung hero when it comes to fighting these kinds of funguses. So this is how the little bottle works. It has this little droplet. What I usually do is I put it right on the nail after I file it a little. So I file the nail a little, I drop it on the nail, and I put it even between my toes and on the other nails. Because usually it's the big toe that gets the big nail fungus, because it's really the one that gets affected with the shoe and the rubbing with the front of the shoe. So you want to take care of that, and once you take care of that, the rest is going to be super. So super recommended.